that 4K footage sure does look good. You're looking at the new Autel EVO. This compact foldable drone possesses a powerful punch. Let's go over the specs. 30 minutes of flight time. 4K camera capable of shooting 4K 60 frames per second video, 12 megapixel photos, obstacle avoidance, dual GPS satellite positioning, and 4-mile range. You're going to get everything you need to fly right out of the box: drone, controller, battery, and charger. After flying the EVO for a few days, we are really impressed with the overall responsiveness of this drone. It's fun to fly and we always felt in control. The Explorer app is really simple to use as well. This small drone comes with all the intelligent features and technology you find on larger sized drones today. We like the EVO's form and function. Its foldable arms make it easy to transport. The remote is small but still feels great in your hands. Having all the telemetry in bold right in front of you on the high quality screen is nice. Right out of the box, the footage looks great, but we still think there's some fine tuning to be done by tweaking some settings and really dialing in this camera to capture the best looking footage. Did we tell you how fast the EVO connects the controller and is ready to fly? It only takes a few seconds. The obstacle avoidance feature works great and kept us from flying into a few trees. The overall build quality of the EVO is solid as well. We're excited to see what you guys think about the Autel EVO, and lucky for you, we have a few in stock at Drone Nerds. To get your hands on this new 4K powerhouse drone, head on over to dronenerds.com.